I'm here today with an amazing video how to make plantain or banana stem fermented feed. But first of all, we are going to look at the benefits, and then we are going to see how to prepare this fermented feed to our birds. Number one benefit is that it improves the immune system of our birds. Benefits of feeding fermented banana or plantain stem or banana stem to our birds. It improves the immune system of our birds. Also, when you feed fermented banana or plantain to your chicken, it helps to improve the egg quality of your birds. Which means if you are into layers, you can still prepare fermented feed and give it to your birds. Fermented or banana fermented plantain or banana can help them to lay larger and quality eggs. It can help our layer chicken to lay larger and quality eggs. Fermented banana and plantain has a lot of protein. It contains 5% of protein per kilo. It contains calcium. When you feed fermented banana or plantain stem to our chicken, it helps in more water intake in our chicken. It will help them to drink a lot of water. Now, what are the steps to prepare this fermented feed? First of all is to go and get your banana or plantain stem. You are going to get it. I believe this is not something that you can buy from the market. You can get it from the farm. You can get it from your neighbors. As for me, I have the plantation right at my farm. So you are going to get your plantain stem. When you are about to get, you can get not the hard one. Look for not the matured one, rather you look for the soft one so that you'll be able to chop it into smaller pieces. You are going to cut it. You are going to chop it into smaller pieces. So you can use either of the two. You can use either plantain stem or banana stem. It all serves the same purpose. I'm going to chop it into smaller pieces. And as you can see, it's very easy to chop. Very easy. That's why when you are looking don't look for the matured one. Matured one might be a bit harder. You look for the soft one, and then so that you'll be able to chop it very easy. So watch the video to the end so that you'll be able to see the process. So I'm done chopping. Now I'm going to pound it. I'm going to pound it. And of course, it's easy to pound. You pound it. Plantain stem is not hard to pound at all. So I'm done pounding. Plantain stem is filled with water. Can you see? Look at the water, excess water. Which means when making plantain, fermented plantain stem or banana stem, you don't need to add extra water. So I'm done pounding, and now can you see how it is? I'm now going to add wheat bran. With a little quantity of salt. So these are the 3 ingredients: plantain or banana stem, and then mix with wheat bran with a little salt, and then you mix it together. You mix it together very well. Remember, I told you we don't need to add water because plantain stem has water in it already. That is why we are mixing it. Wow. This is properly mixed. And we are going to put it here to be able to cover it very well. So this is how you can cut down the cost of buying feed in your farm. What did I use? Only plantain stem. You can use plantain or banana stem, whichever one that you'll be able to get. And then wheat bran, and then with a little quantity of salt. So we are going to cover it for at least 3 to 4 days. 3 to 4 days. Wow, this is after 4 days. And you can see the color of our fermented feed. Look at it. Wow.
No change cloth. No change cloth.
Can you see how it is? This is after 4 days. Wow. Can you see? Can you see? Wow, look at it.
Wow.
Very well. And I'll be able to, my birds will be able to eat it. Wow. How I wish you are here to touch it and see how it really is. Look at it. It smells good and it's very soft. Look at it. Very soft. So we are going to serve it to our layers now. If you have broilers, you can still serve it. If you have local chicken, you can serve it to them. If you have turkey, you can still serve it to them. We are going to serve it to our layers.
They chop on.
You're supposed to chop it. And even I give them their normal food. They do the video for. See that one so that you go snap am for me. Wow. They are really waiting patiently. They are waiting patiently. Wow. So thanks so much for watching.